Meaning of inexhaustible.
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 Inexhaustible. The word inexhaustible refers to something that cannot be used up or worn out. It describes something that is boundless, endless, and limitless. This term often refers to resources or reserves that do not diminish no matter how much is used. Inexhaustible resources can be renewable energy sources like wind, water, or solar power, which are sustainable and do not harm the environment. The concept of inexhaustibility suggests the idea of abundance and endless opportunities. Overall, the term inexhaustible implies that something is infinite, everlasting, and never-ending.